Mia, I said I wish I will pass today.
Don't worry, just separate impossible dreams from real possibilities.
Oh wow, dreams versus reality makes perfect sense now.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
I have a big question about two common words.
Which words are making you feel very confused today?
I always mix up the words wish and hope.
That is a very common mistake for many beginners.
Yesterday I said I wish I will learn fast.
Oh no, that is actually a big grammar mistake.
Is it wrong? I thought they mean the same.
They are completely different in real daily English conversations.
How can I remember the exact difference between them?
We just need to look at dreams and reality.
Dreams and reality? That sounds like a movie.
Yes, one is possible and one is impossible.
I am ready to learn this movie trick today.
We will start with the word for real possibilities.
What is the magic word for a real possibility?
The first word is hope, and it means future.
How do I use the word hope correctly today?
We use hope when something is possible tomorrow.
So I can say, I hope I see you.
Exactly. Seeing me tomorrow is a very real possibility.
What if I want a new phone next week?
You say, I hope I get a new phone.
Because getting a phone is totally possible later.
Spot on. Hope is always for the possible future.
Can I use hope for the weather tomorrow morning?
Yes, you can say, I hope it is sunny.
What if I do not want it to rain?
You just add not. I hope it does not rain.
I hope the big bus is not late.
Perfect. You just mastered the possible future very easily.
But what about the things I cannot change now?
For impossible things, we must use the word wish.
Tell me about this impossible word named wish today.
Wish is for things that are not true now.
You mean like having $1 million right now?
Yes, I wish I had $1 million today.
But I do not have $1 million.
Exactly. It is like a dream in your head.
So I say wish when I want things different.
Perfect. You want it, but you cannot have it.
What about my English? I make many mistakes today.
You say, I wish I spoke perfect English now.
Notice I used the past tense word spoke.
Yes, we use the past tense for impossible wishes.
I wish I was taller. Is that sentence correct?
Yes, you are not taller now, so you wish.
So hope is for tomorrow, wish is for dreams.
You got it. Let us test them right now.
I am ready to test my brain with situations.
Listen carefully. It is raining heavily right now.
I want it to stop right in this moment.
Is that a real possibility or an impossible dream?
It is impossible now. I wish it was sunny.
Excellent. Now, what about the weather for tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow is the future. I hope it is sunny.
Boom! You see the exact difference right there.
What if I want a small dog next year?
Next year is possible. You hope for a dog.
I hope I get a new dog soon.
What if you cannot play the piano at all?
I cannot play. I wish I could play.
Perfect. You use the past tense for a wish.
This is so easy. I will never mix them.
You are officially a master of hope and wish.
I am ready to test my brain in the error lab.
Let us begin. I will speak some bad English sentences.
Okay, bring on the bad English for me today.
Sentence 1. I wish I will pass my test tomorrow.
Tomorrow is possible. You must say, I hope I pass.
Perfect correction. Sentence 2. I hope I had more money.
Money is a dream now. I wish I had money.
Excellent. Sentence 3. I wish the bus is not late.
The bus is the future. I hope it is not late.
Spot on. Sentence 4. I hope I could fly today.
Flying is impossible. You must say, I wish I could fly.
Let us do one more. I wish I will see you.
Seeing me is possible. Say, I hope I see you.
You fixed every mistake perfectly without any boring grammar rules.
I will never mix up wish and hope again.
You are officially an expert at dreams and real possibilities.
Now it is time to practice speaking out loud.
We will do our shadowing practice together today.
Listen carefully and repeat the words after us.
Sentence number 1 is for a real future possibility.
I hope I see you tomorrow morning.
I hope I see you tomorrow morning.
I hope I see you tomorrow morning.
Sentence number 2 is for an impossible dream today.
I wish I had $1 million.
I wish I had $1 million.
I wish I had $1 million.
Sentence number 3 is for hoping it does not happen.
I hope it does not rain tomorrow.
I hope it does not rain tomorrow.
I hope it does not rain tomorrow.
Sentence number 4 is for wanting a different reality.
I wish I was taller right now.
I wish I was taller right now.
I wish I was taller right now.
Sentence number 5 is for a good test result.
I hope I pass my English test.
I hope I pass my English test.
I hope I pass my English test.
Sentence number 6 is for an impossible daily ability.
I wish I spoke perfect English today.
I wish I spoke perfect English today.
I wish I spoke perfect English today.
You did a fantastic job practicing today.
We learned so much today. Let me summarize the rules.
Go ahead, show me your perfect memory of the lesson.
The word hope is for things possible in the future.
Correct. And what is the special job of the word wish?
It is for impossible dreams that are not true now.
Perfect. And what tense do we use for impossible wishes?
We use the past tense like I wish I had.
You officially mastered hope and wish in English today.
I will never make the wrong choice in conversations again.
Now it is time for our amazing viewers to practice.
Yes, we have a fun homework challenge for you today.
Write 2 sentences about your own life in the comments.
Use one hope for tomorrow and one wish for today.
We read every single comment, so show us your skills.
Hit subscribe and like the video to support our channel.
Keep practicing every day and think fast, speak smart today.